PPC Ad Editor includes a built-in tool to help you boost your relevance score by matching keywords directly within your ad copy. Here's how to use it effectively, but note that this feature is only available for RSA ads. In the navigation bar, click on Previews. In the list of previews, click on the RSA Preview button next to the desired entry. Go to your ad preview in PPC Ad Editor. In the Ad Preview section, click directly on the ad. On the left side, you'll see the ad's headlines and descriptions. On the right-hand side, you will see which keywords are used in your headlines or descriptions, and which keywords have not yet been used in your ad copy. Copy any unused keyword from the list. Paste it into a headline or description. Once used, it will move to the Used in Headline or Used in Description section and highlight in green. Click the Update button at the bottom of the form. Including your keywords and ad headlines and descriptions improves your Google Ads Relevance Score, leading to better performance of your ad.